Looking for a reliable PVC rubber patch supplier for your backpack brand? In this video, we take you inside our professional PVC rubber label factory and show how we produce large volume, vibrant, high-quality PVC patches, including popular cartoon designs like Bluey, with stable efficiency and consistent quality. 3 key machines that power our production. 18-color automatic PVC filling machine ensures precise color placement and vivid multicolor designs with perfect consistency. 2. Automatic base color PVC dispensing machine provides strong, uniform, and durable base layers for every patch. 3. Fully automatic heating curing oven speeds up curing and cooling while maintaining excellent product quality. Production capacity highlights. Only one operator required to manage molds. 8 hours continuous stable operation per day. Up to 5,000 patches daily output. 0 material waste. Lower production cost, higher efficiency. This production system is ideal for brands and factories that require high volume orders, strict color accuracy, and reliable delivery schedules.